Being able to control your light with phone is a great feature to add to your automated garden. The parts we'll need for are DSGW-210 Home Assistant Gateway and growing light with power board. This is the board of the gateway. System on module. Interfaces include one port, USB, Type-C. This is the slot for SIM card and TF card. The wireless modules include Wi-Fi, LTE, Zigbee, Z-Wave, and Bluetooth. The growing light communicates with DSGW-210-HA Gateway through Bluetooth protocol, and thus can be controlled by Home Assistant. It supports various protocols so it can connect with various devices, including temperature and humidity sensor, grow light, optocoupler, etc. Besides turn on or off lights, adjust light intensity, you can automate your grow light with these sensors and Node Red on Home Assistant, for example, adapting the brightness and color on the position of the sun, humidity, temperature, scheduling your grow light, etc. Okay, let's get to it. Use mobile phone with Home Assistant to turn on or off blue, red, and white grow light. Adjust light brightness. This is how it works on commercial grow light. Do it yourself now.